In this video, we're going to assign WebViewer access to a user. First, we need to log into the admin system. Click on the Windows icon, scroll down to L, click on LockLizard, and choose Administration System. Enter your user details and then log in. In the customer area, scroll down to the customer you want to add access to. Here we have Tony Walsh, currently showing WebViewer access no. So click on the Details tab, then scroll down to the WebViewer area. In the WebViewer area, select Enabled. The username and password fields are automatically generated by the system, but you can change these as required. Then we have the Logins option. By default, only one user can be logged in at the same time using an individual's user account login information. This prevents users from sharing their login credentials with others, which would enable multiple users to be logged on at the same time with the same credentials. However, there may be occasions where you want to create a single user account, say for a specific company, school, or group, and let multiple users log in with the same account information on more than one computer at the same time. If you want to do that, then check this box. Then we have the Max Sessions feature. Please note this is an enterprise-only option. If you enter a number in this field, you can limit the number of concurrent sessions. That's the maximum number of logins available at any one time. Please note, a session is only freed up and made available if a user uses the logout option in the web viewer to log out of their account. If they just close the browser window instead, then that session will only become available after 30 minutes. Once you have enabled the settings, just click the Resend option. This will send an email to the user initially with his login details. Consequently, if you change the details at a later date, you can resend the email containing the changed details. So once you're happy with all that, just click Save. Confirmation window appears saying, are you sure you want to save the settings? Click Yes. If you scroll down to the user's record, Tony Walsh, you will now see that it says WebViewer Access Yes. If you finish setting up users, scroll up to the top, select Logout to log out of the administration system, and close the browser.